the queen of Italian fashion and one of the world's most influential digital entrepreneurs, Chiara Ferragni, is back in the spotlight, but this time, not for her style. Ferragni appeared in court in Milan as her fraud trial continues, facing serious allegations that have sent shockwaves through Italy's fashion and influencer circles. Ferragni, best known for her global brand The Blonde Salad and her massive online empire, has been charged with aggravated fraud over a controversy involving a Christmas dessert, the balocco pandoro cake, a beloved Italian holiday tradition. Here's what happened. A few years ago, Ferragni collaborated with the iconic Italian bakery brand Balocco to release a special edition of their famous pandoro cakes, complete with her signature pink packaging and branding. The cakes were marketed as part of a charitable initiative. A portion of the proceeds, consumers were told, would go to a children's hospital in Turin. The problem? According to Italy's antitrust authority, the campaign gave the impression that every purchase directly contributed to charity. In reality, the donation had already been made, a fixed amount, completely independent of sales. The authority accused Ferragni's company of misleading consumers, and earlier this year, she was fined millions of euros for her role in the campaign. The 37-year-old has since apologized publicly on social media, saying she never meant to deceive anyone and promising more transparency in her future campaigns. But that hasn't stopped prosecutors from pressing forward with criminal charges. Outside the courtroom, reporters gathered hoping for a statement, but Ferragni remained silent, walking quickly past the cameras, dressed in a sleek black suit. Her silence, however, spoke volumes. Her defense team insists that the case is being blown out of proportion, arguing that Ferragni acted in good faith and that the marketing materials were approved by Balocco. The trial is expected to continue into next year, with a verdict likely in 2026. For Ferragni, this isn't just about a cake. It's about reputation, trust, and the power of influence in the digital age. One thing is certain: Italy and the world will be watching closely as this fashion icon faces one of the biggest trials of her career.
Fermi.